Want to automate your sales workflow and increase your team's productivity? In this quick CrankWheel explainer, we'll walk through how this software can help streamline your sales process and why it might not be the best option for everyone. Stick around, because we'll also recommend some powerful alternatives that could work better for your goals. Let's dive in. First, CrankWheel's main feature is its ability to share your screen instantly with potential customers, no matter what device they're using. This makes demo seamless, as it doesn't require the customer to download any software or create an account. It's ideal for businesses who need to provide quick, visual sales pitches without any barriers to entry. But here's the catch: while CrankWheel excels at this, its simplicity comes with limitations. For example, the lack of customization options for the interface might not meet all branding needs. You might find it a little too basic if you're looking for advanced features like deep analytics or lead management. Next thing, CrankWheel integrates with many CRMs, but if you're using something more niche or complex, you might run into compatibility issues. It works fine with the big players like Salesforce and HubSpot, but smaller or more specific tools might not sync up as smoothly. So, keep that in mind when you're setting up your sales stack. Moving on, CrankWheel's screen sharing features are great for teams that rely on one-on-one interactions. The ability to broadcast a sales demo to prospects in real time can increase conversion rates and speed up the sales cycle. But what happens when your team needs more than just live demo sharing? CrankWheel's focus on simplicity could actually hinder you when your sales process starts scaling and requires more detailed management. Its limited tracking and automation features mean that as your team grows, you might find yourself needing a more robust solution. The fourth thing, CrankWheel lacks automation for follow-ups, which is a big deal if you want to keep your sales pipeline moving without micromanaging. If you're looking to automate your follow-up emails, nurture leads, or set reminders, CrankWheel just won't do that for you. You'll need additional software for that. If automation is key to your workflow, you might want to keep looking. Finally, let's talk about pricing. CrankWheel's pricing model is based on usage, which could work well for businesses with fluctuating needs. But if you want to do heavy sales volume, the costs could quickly add up. Depending on how many demos you're running, it might not be the most cost-effective long-term solution. Now, here's the twist. While CrankWheel is a solid option for those seeking simplicity, there are other tools out there that combine screen sharing with lead management and follow-up automation, making them better for streamlining your entire sales workflow. These alternatives offer better scalability, advanced features, and more flexibility in managing your sales process. Before we wrap up, if you want to try CrankWheel, check out the exclusive free trial we've linked below. But if you're looking for something that gives you even more features to boost your workflow, we've also got links to some of the best alternatives that are more suited to complex needs with their own extended free trials. Don't miss out on the best offers available only to our viewers.